It's weird with somebody watching me too. Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Landon. If you're new here, today we are on a new lake and this guy is introducing it to me. What's your name there, bud?
Good morning, my name's Nicko and today we're gonna do some fishing.
Woo. So it's been years, but we're going out on a canoe that he just purchased. And I'm kind of nervous to fall in, but he says he's the captain and to trust him, so here we go. This, by the way, is a subscriber. We met on a lake and we're like, dude, he's way too awesome, so let's go fishing, and here we are. So let's get at it.
3, 2, 1.
You're saying it's usually clear, like a couple feet of viz? Like right now, I would say that's like,
This is
what, 1.5 feet of viz?
I've ever seen it.
Yeah. Your flippers?
Yeah, the what's this weighted?
Yeah. All right, we're on here, people. It took a solid hour, I think, to get the first fish. I was just telling Nicko about the different fly lines, and I was near the bottom and got it. But it's hard out here. The lake is turning over, so our flies and our spoons haven't been working too well. But we've got some weight on this puppy. Look at this. Hey?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay. This is a decent fish, boys and girls.
Ooh yeah. Oh man.
There it is.
That is definitely not an anchovy.
Woo!
Oh, nice colors, man. Boys. Nice colors.
We're on the board.
Oh man, that is beautiful. Heck yeah.
Yes, I'm so happy to have floats. I just put this
little floater strip.
Just swam out when I lifted
no way.
Oh, but look, that's what I wanted. It's sick. It works. But dang it, the fish we didn't get to test. Look at this crap. This is why the lake sucks right now. All this poop. Hey, we gotta get out of here.
Get out of here.
Full steam ahead, boys. We out. All right, everybody. So what's the plan now?
We're gonna go hit up another lake to go rip some lips.
We got dominated. We landed one. I got one on the fly. The fly out produced the old spinner, but I thought he was gonna have it because it was just so dirty. But yeah, we're just gonna waste our time if we stay out there a little longer. So we're gonna go for some walleye and pike. This guy's gonna dominate. Maybe the fly.
Possibly.
I don't know.
Possibly. We'll see.
We'll see. Let's go, baby. So this is a bit of a bigger lake, hey?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
Where are we? This one we can name drop.
Classified location.
Classified location. Lac Ste. Lac Ste. or something. We're here. The pooch. He's a sneaky boy.
Yeah.
It rolled in poop, and we're not gonna say it's dog poop.
Yeah, I don't know what type.
We're not sure what type of poop it was, but
I know it's not dog poop. I can.
It stinks like a human, so don't poop in parking lots when there's porta potties 20 feet away. It's just not good. It's not a good situation, everybody. Canoe's coming off. We're going fishing for some walleye, maybe some pike. Tried on the fly. I didn't have the gear for it. Oh man, this water does not look good either. Crud. Shoot. It's just as bad. Just as bad. Oh man. Not good. Not good. What the heck are you doing?
You like that?
What? No. You made it 5 feet. Please tell me.
Go very far.
Please tell me you're gonna catch a fish on that. If you do, buddy, holy.
Oh yeah, baby.
You got one?
Oh heck yeah.
Dude! Yeah, boy! Oh! He's on. He's on. That'd be a beauty.
Right. Whoa, don't pull me around. Come here.
Oh, walleye to the boat, ladies and gents. Woo-hoo. This guy didn't get skunked for the day.
Right.
How does that feel?
Oh, it feels fantastic.
Just a bent rod.
Right.
Little peachy. Oh yeah. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Get back in.
Yelling at it like it's a dog.
Right. Yeah, get out of here.
Nice, dude.
Oh yeah.
Sick. We're on the board.
You want a jig?
I'm on. Whee!
No.
I got one.
Right on, bud.
Yeah. First walleye on the fly rod, boys.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
History was made today.
Oh yeah. Nice. Sick. Dude.
Yeah,
Success. Oh, there we go. First walleye on the
Gorgeous
fly
little
for me.
guy.
Woo! Fish kiss. Yeah. That's what I caught the fish on, guys. Little minnow in the shallows. We weren't fishing the right time of day. Apparently, when we got here, also big shout out to Dave. He gave us a whole bucket of minnows. So Nicko got one on the minnow. I got one stripping on the fly. We did it. Walleye on the fly. But
Absolutely.
we'll be back. We'll be fishing together. It was a good day, man. It was a great day.
It was a fantastic day.
Until next time, guys, keep it tight. Woo!